Hello viewers, today I discuss the AC motor spirit controller circuit. AC motor control circuit variable resistor 100K or water resistor 2.2K or PF means capacitor 0.1 microfarad capacitor or diac 1 or diac 1 piece diac gate anode or cathode. Input terminal AC line positive, up, down, negative terminal connection. Outlet AC output line up, negative, down. First line input source to resistor connection, resistor to quarter resistor connection, quarter resistor to capacitor connection, capacitor to power supply connection, negative or negative to negative common outgoing, diac to diac connection, gate anode to positive terminal connection, input source positive or cathode to outgoing connection. Variable resistor up and down, variable value in sense outgoing voltage control up and down. Very sensitive circuit, high voltage, very careful the use. Thank you.